I'm bird watching with Sinead O'Connor. So far it's been 7 owls and 50 jays. Somebody said my dad's gay. Now I'm now trying to work out which one. I found a rock which measured 1760 yards in length. It must be some kind of milestone. Why was Cinderella not good at sports? Her coaches were all pumpkins. How many ears did Captain Kirk have? 3. The left ear, the right ear, and the final front ear. Have you heard of the serial killers port and starboard? They've been killing people left and right. Did you hear about the guy who was told he would get $100 if he jumped out of a window? He fell for it. Why did the Easter Bunny go to the barber? He had a bad hair day. My son just told me this one. What airport is in Bunny World? O'Hare. What's a doll's favorite thing to eat? Barbecue. At 56 I just pulled my first all-nighter. Yup, all night and I didn't pee once. Where do fish get their public health information? The Sturgeon General. The majority of archaeologists are women, due to their ability to dig up the past. What's a pilot's favorite chip flavor? Plain. Did you hear about the talking scale? It speaks for the masses. Fun fact about the English language. Nothing starts with an N and ends with a G. If you know a fart joke, you'll eventually tell it. They're hard to hold in. When I was a kid, I'd watch a Nickelodeon variety show and eat some Ruffles. It was all that in a bag of chips. I asked Paul McCartney for directions to the Abbey Road studios. He said take the long and winding road. Someone accused me of having bad quality gum. Thankfully, those accusations didn't stick. Did you hear about the baker who kept stealing money from the till? He needed the dough. What's Eminem's favorite meat? Beef. The problem with my new gloves is getting out of hand. Why did Snoop Dogg carry an umbrella? Faux drizzle. On my last trip to New England, I went to Acadia National Park. It was the main attraction. I need to stop my fish skin addiction. It's off the scales. This is a dad joke on so many levels it hurts. Today I learned what a group of pandas is called. Now if I could only figure out why my dad always called me that, I could make him proud. I'm Bob Jeffy. Stay tuned to the end of the episode for a bonus dad joke. We're on a mission to spread the laughs and groans, so please share these jokes with your family. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. Hey listeners, tired of all the doom and gloom on the news? Then check out the Get Happy Headlines podcast by my friends, Stella and Mickey. It's a podcast dedicated to bringing you family-friendly, uplifting stories from around the world. Give it a listen, I know you will like it. Search for Get Happy Headlines in your podcast player or check out the show notes page for the link. Do you have your own dad joke you want to share? Join the hundreds of listeners who have submitted their own dad jokes through my voicemail. Please spread the laughs and groans and submit your own dad joke to our voicemail, with the best ones to be included in special fan episodes. Just leave your name, the city and state you live in, and your best dad joke. Call 978-393-1076. I'll repeat that number, it's 978-393-1076, or check the show notes page for the number. I look forward to hearing from you. The Daily Dad Jokes podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits. Today I learned that the actress who was in Fatal Attraction has been nominated for 8 Oscars. She's never won, but she's always been close.